Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we'll be looking at the EZshoot multiple reticle green dot sight. Alright, so the green dot sight's going to come shipped in this black box. Let's take a look inside. So first off, we have our user's manual. So it's showing the specifications here, and you have a nice detailed catalog of instructions, what comes in the packaging, how to properly install the battery, how to install your optic, which screws to use there. Lots of good information here, illumination settings. You can also mount on a Picatinny rail. And also the multi-reticle system here, so you can have a red circle dot, a red dot, or just a red circle. And also, of course, with green, and how to properly zero your optic, and any troubleshooting and maintenance care, and also your warranty and your batteries. We also have a nice cleaning cloth here, 2 CR2032 batteries. Here's all our tools and screws that you'll need. Also has an MOS plate here. Another tool, this will be for windage and elevation. And the optic itself, along with this nice cover, keep dust and debris off of this. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the EZshoot multiple reticle green dot sight here. So it's going to come pre-installed with a Picatinny rail adapter here, which you can remove by removing these screws here. Just make sure you use your provided tool. Then once the screws are removed, you can easily take the pick rail mount off. And then this does have a pre-installed battery. Alright, so now let's go over some of the features here. So you're going to see, of course, the illumination settings are on the sides. If you want to make the dot brighter, you would just press the up arrow here. It does get really bright. And then if you wanted to decrease the brightness, you can just press this button down here. You can see the dot fade. And then up on top, you're going to have your elevation. And here on the side, you're going to have your windage. And the battery is, of course, in the bottom. And I forgot to mention that this does come with a gasket here so that you can put when you're mounting on your pistol, just to protect the battery and all the components under there. It's a very neat, sturdy looking green dot sight here. And I do love the way the cuts are here in the front. And this is an RMR footprint. So if you have a pistol that happens to have the RMR cut, this will fit directly on there, which I'll demonstrate here shortly. And if you happen to have a Glock with the MOS system, you can use the provided MOS plate to mount that onto your pistol. So they give you a lot of tools and options here to mount on different types of firearms that you have. Here we're looking at the circle dot. In order to change the reticle, you would just press the up and the down arrow here at the same time. And so now we're looking at the circle with the dot in the middle, and then you press it one more time and you just have a standard green dot. Really cool. Alright, so here's one of my pistols that have the RMR cut. I went ahead and installed the provided gasket there, and all I'm going to do is mount this on top, just like that. You should see how well that fits. And use one of the provided screws, depending on your fitment. Then use the provided tool here to tighten it down. You don't want to over tighten this, you just want this snug. And you can add blue Loctite to it too. And there we go. Nice direct fit. You can see no wiggle, no play. Very sturdy. Turn this on. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.